So question 7, this is our algebra question. Expand. So 6 brackets 4 minus 3y. I've got 6 lots of everything in here, so 6 lots of 4. That's going to give me 24. And then 6 lots of minus 3y is going to give me minus 18y. There we go, 24 minus 18y. Okay, and then the next one we're going to factorize. So that means put the brackets back in. So it's the reverse of this one. Take as much outside as we can. Most we can take out the numbers, 1 and 4. So most we can take out is 1, but we can take out an e out of each of those. And that leaves us with an e times e is e squared plus 4. Just check, e times e is e squared, e times plus 4 is 4e. So there's our answer, e brackets e plus 4. Okay, an equation here to solve. It's got x's on both sides, so we're going to do a process where do the same to both sides. I want to get a positive number of x's, so I'm going to focus on that to begin with. I'm going to take 2x away from here and 2x away from here. So I get 5x plus 8 equals no x's, but I'm still left with this negative 3. So I've taken away the 2x, but I'm still left with negative 3. Now I've got to move the numbers, so I'm going to take away 8 from both sides. So 5x, take away 8 from here, I'm going to take away 8 from here. So minus 3 minus 8 is going to give me minus 11. And then I've got 5x is that, so 5 times something is minus 11. I've got to divide by 5, so x is minus 11 over 5. I can leave that as my answer, or if I want to put it into decimals, I can do so just by typing in minus 11 divided by 5, and then s to d is minus 2.2. So if I want to do it in decimals, I can do it like that, minus 2.2. Okay, some double brackets now. Expand and simplify. So same process as before, 2 brackets, we're going to times them together. So y times y is y squared. 10 times minus 2 is minus 20. Y times minus 2 is minus 2y, and 10 times y is plus 10y. Combine those together and put them in the order we like. Y squared plus 8y, that's my minus 2y plus 10y, minus 20. Now I will just show you a favourite method of mine, which is the grid method. It's another method for expanding these. We get y and positive 10 and y and negative 2, and we're going to multiply these together and get our 4 bits. Y times y is y squared, y plus 10 is 10y, y times negative 2 is minus 2y, and that's minus 20. And then that gives me my 8y, and I've got my y squared, my 8y, my minus 20. So you can choose either method there. Okay, this last one, factorize fully. This expression here. Well, again, I want to take as much outside the brackets as I can. So looking for the biggest number that goes in there. Well, 2 goes in, but also 4 goes in, but 8 doesn't go in. So I'm going to take a 4 outside. E's, well, e goes in, but actually e squared goes in, and e cubed doesn't. So e squared, and f, yeah, the most I can take out is 1. So I want the biggest power of e, the biggest power of f I can take out. So e squared and f, and the highest common factor. So 4 comes outside. What's left? Well, 4 times what gives 20? 5. E squared times what gives e to the 5? Well, that's e cubed. F times what gives f squared? And that's just f. 4 times what gives 16? That's 4. E squared times 1, and f times f, so that's just times 1. So there we have it. There is our answer. Put it down here. 4e squared f 5 e cubed f